Hey friends, ever had that moment where you're stuck choosing between two options, like, should the sign up button say join now or get started? Should the image on my homepage show the product or a happy customer using it? You could guess. Or you could run a simple A/B test and let your users decide for you. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how A/B testing works, when to use it, what to avoid, and how to get started. Let's break it down. A/B testing is like running a fair contest between two versions of something: a web page, an email, an app screen, to see which one performs better. Version A is your current version. Version B is the variation you want to test. You split your audience. Half sees A, the other half sees B. Then, you compare which one got more clicks, signups, purchases, whatever your goal is. And the best part? You're not relying on opinions. You're using real behavior from real users to make decisions. Now, you might be wondering, okay, but how does it actually work? There are 8 key pieces you want to know. Let's go through them. First, set a goal. Define what you want to achieve with the test. This could be increasing clicks on a button, boosting signups, or improving time spent on a page. For example, you want to increase the percentage of users clicking the subscribe button on your blog. Next, identify what to test. Choose one specific element to test. It could be a headline, a call to action button, an image, or a page layout. Testing one element at a time ensures you know exactly what caused any changes in user behavior. Then, you develop 2 versions of your test goal. You can create the following. Control: the current version of the element or page, version A. Variation: the updated or alternative version you want to test, version B. For example, if your goal is to test CTA, your control button might have a red button, while the variation has a green button. Creating variations to test which ones work better with the audience always helps in making informed design decisions. In step 4, you randomly split your audience into 2 groups. One group sees version A, the other group sees version B, and randomness is super important, so the results aren't biased. Now, run the test. Allow the test to run for a sufficient amount of time, ensuring enough users interact with both versions. This avoids skewed results due to small sample sizes or short testing periods. You may run the test for 1 week and gather data from 10,000 visitors to ensure accurate results. After that, you look at the results. Use analytics to track performance metrics like click-through rates, conversions, or time spent on a page. Compare the results from both versions to determine which performed better. Example: at the end of the test, you may see that version B's headline led to 20% more users clicking the subscribe button compared to version A. Next, based on the data, decide whether to implement the winning version or iterate further. If neither version performs significantly better, you may need to test a different element or hypothesis. And the final step, roll out the successful variation to all users. In our example is version B. However, don't stop there. A/B testing is an ongoing process. Continuously test new ideas to keep improving. A/B testing is a versatile tool, but knowing the right time to run a test is just as important as running it. Here's when you should consider A/B testing. After launching a website, app, or feature, use A/B testing to improve performance. For example, test variations to reduce bounce rates, increase engagement, or optimize a checkout process. Test during the prototype or MVP stage to identify which design, feature, or messaging resonates most with your users. This ensures you start strong with data-backed decisions. If analytics reveal pain points, like high drop-offs in a sales funnel or users abandoning forms, A/B testing can pinpoint solutions. For example, test shorter forms, different CTAs, or simplified navigation. Rolling out holiday promotions or time-sensitive updates. Use A/B tests to find out which design or messaging drives higher engagement or conversions. For instance, test holiday-themed banners or limited-time offer designs. A/B testing doesn't have to be tied to major changes. Use it regularly to refine and improve your UX strategy incrementally, ensuring your product evolves with user preferences. Basically, whenever you're making a decision that could impact user behavior, A/B testing is your friend. Now, A/B testing is great, but it's not always the right move. Sometimes it's better to pause. For example, if your website doesn't get much traffic yet, your test results won't be reliable. You simply won't have enough data to make a confident call. Or, if you're in the middle of a holiday rush or a big promo, traffic spikes can mess with your numbers. It's better to wait for things to settle down. And if you don't have a clear goal, like what exactly you want to improve, well, testing randomly won't get you far. So take a step back, think it through, and test with intention. That's when it really works. Okay, so what actually goes into setting up a good A/B test? Here's the recipe. Clear hypothesis. State exactly what you're testing and what you expect to happen. Example: we believe changing the sign up button color from red to blue will increase clicks by 15%. A hypothesis keeps your test focused and ensures you're measuring meaningful changes. Defined metrics. Decide how you'll measure success. Choose KPIs like click-through rates, sign-ups, or time spent on a page. Example: for a homepage test, your goal might be to reduce the bounce rate or increase the number of clicks on a product category. Clear metrics allow you to understand whether the test met your goal. Target audience segments. Ensure the test reflects the behavior of your actual users. Example: if testing a new navigation feature for mobile users, target only users accessing your site from mobile devices. Testing with the right audience ensures the results are relevant and actionable. One variable at a time. Focus on one change to pinpoint its exact impact, such as button text, headline, or image placement. Testing multiple elements at once can create confusion and make it hard to identify what worked. Control and variation. Set a baseline, control, to compare against the change, variation. Example: control, original homepage layout. Variation: a version with a larger product image and a revised headline. A control provides a benchmark to measure the effectiveness of your changes. Testing tools and platforms. Use tools like UXArmy to set up your test and track results. These tools can split traffic between the control and variation and analyze the performance of each version. Testing platforms automate traffic splits, data collection, and result analysis, saving time and effort. Still wondering where A/B testing fits into your work? Here are some real-world ideas to get you started. Try it when you're testing a new website layout or making changes to your product pages or checkout flow. Run a test on email subject lines to see what grabs attention. Or compare different onboarding screens in your mobile app, thinking of a new price point or a limited-time promo. A/B testing can help you see what actually drives conversions. And during seasonal campaigns, it's perfect for trying out different headlines, visuals, or CTAs. No matter what you're working on, A/B testing helps you skip the guesswork and focus on what really works for your users. All right, we've gone through a lot till this point. From the definition, when to run, how to set up a test, and common use cases. That's a lot of things to prepare for your first A/B test, right? Don't worry. UXArmy is here to help make it way easier for you. We provide you a platform where you can conduct A/B testing with usability insights, making it ideal for businesses that want to optimize websites, apps, even a prototype you're still designing. And it's not just about numbers like conversion rates. You also get real user feedback, session recordings, and behavior insights, so you actually understand why users behave the way they do. So if you're serious about improving your website or app's performance without all the headaches, click the link in the description below to find out more. And that's it. A/B testing isn't about guessing. It's about knowing what actually works, based on real users. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Happy testing, and I'll see you in the next one.